let's take a look at ambiguity and contradiction in culture. There's an increasing awareness about the multiplicity of culture orientations in organizations. The idea is that a single organizational culture creates unity among people and organizations, and the counter idea is that organizations are typically characterized by stable subcultures that are increasingly being disputed. Emphasis on ambiguity as a central feature of organizational culture is a response to the dominance of the idea that a culture or subculture is clear and known in terms of its entity that creates unity and harmony within an organization. In general, a social organizational study, there's good reasons to seriously consider ambiguity. In the management area, topics like leadership, strategy, and quality are seldom as clear and obvious as we think. Careful cultural research must make contradictions and uncertainties in terms of their seriousness in assessment, even within a cultural category, whether it's the organization, the management, the division, the occupational community, or the shop floor or society. In investigating cultural ambiguity, the criteria are themselves very ambiguous.